Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Happy Friday, yay! It's the weekend, it's the third paycheck weekend if you get paid 3 times in June. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. If this is your first time watching, thank you all for stopping by and clicking on this video. I hope you will join the families by liking and subscribing this video. And also, if you are a returning subscriber of mine, thank you for coming back and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. So let's get into this video. Today we are cash stuffing my third paycheck in June. This was a magic month for me. So I'm very excited to be cash stuffing a little bit more than I normally do. And also some of this is a carryover from my previous pay period. Today we're going to be cash stuffing a total of $352 in my sinking funds as well as my savings challenges. I'm so excited that today is Friday. I'm really happy as well that we have a holiday coming up. Happy Independence Day to everyone. So let's go ahead and get our money out. Okay, so we are going to be cash stuffing prop money as well as regular money, cash money. In this video, I do both hybrid budgeting. So I have some things in my Capital One savings, high yield savings account, as well as in these envelopes, these lovely binders that you see here. So let's count my cash. I have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So we have $285 in cash, but 75 of this is going to go into cash stuffing my home binder, which will be seen in another video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out 75 so I won't mess that up. So let's see. We're gonna put the 50s here. I have some raggedy 50s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Put the 20s here, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 75 of this is going to my home binder. So I'm going to put this aside so that way I am not getting confused. That will be in a separate video. So today we're going to get started with cash stuffing $130 in back to school. And I have 2 places that I keep this. Let me think. Okay, so the first place is here, I believe. And you may also hear some noise in the background. They are cutting our grass and my neighbor's grass, landscaping. So, but I think school. So this envelope, I kind of just DIY'd this, but it's gonna go for my middle daughter who just graduated from high school. As you know, she'll be going to college this fall, and so she'll need a lot of things for her dorm. She's staying on campus, and just a lot of accessories, so a lot of items. So we're gonna be cash stuffing $100 today for her. Let's go ahead and just use these 2 50s, so 50, 100. And I will update the trackers later. And we're gonna put $30 in another binder. This binder is for my daughter, my youngest daughter. You may know Skylar because she's usually in videos here. So we're gonna put $30 in this envelope for Skylar for back to school. I can't keep up with the money today. Okay, that way we'll be getting some use out of this binder that we have for her. All right, so, and this will be for her back to school things. So get that ball rolling. Okay, seems like we don't have much money left, right? So next up is self-care, which I think is in this binder as well. I did do a self-care challenge from a while back, and I didn't really stuff self-care since then. So I'm trying to be intentional about self-care because, as we know, self-care is very important. So I'm putting $20 into self-care, and I need to find a tracker for that, but maybe not. Next, we're going to do, let's see, we have $60 left. So we're going to move to our savings challenges. And with our savings challenges, we're going to put $40 in our $700 savings challenge. This is going to car maintenance. We've already had to empty it once. So we're coloring in everything in red because that shows where we have picked up since starting it again. So $40. All right, you guys. So $40 in our $700 savings challenge. So that's 20, 40. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So that is coming along nicely. You can never save enough for car maintenance, even if you have a new car, trust me. We just had to spend about $1,200 on getting new tires, and hopefully that should last us another 50,000 miles or so, or more. Okay, let's do, we're doing Christmas. Christmas is getting $20. Where is Christmas? Oh, Christmas. Okay, now for our holiday binder, special occasions binder, we're going to put 20 in Christmas. Yeah, here we go, 20 in Christmas. And we're going to finish, or at least try to finish the star. Let's see, I'm trying to find the yellow that I used the first time around. I think it's this one. Nope, that's not it. Okay, this star will be various shades of yellow. It's okay. It's gonna be like stained glass almost. So 20 in Christmas. So now Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110. So we made it over the $100 mark. That's exciting. I did not take out the $24 for the Larry challenge, but I'll show it. So this challenge is from Hands and Bands. We're almost finished this challenge. So when I do get the money out, we're going to color in 13 and 11. So we'll have a total of $24, and me and Skylar will do that off camera later. Let's get into our prop money. So for the prop money, we have $142 that we are stuffing, and $40 is going into, sorry for shaking the camera. $40 is going into the $1,000 savings challenge, not in 30 days. But nevertheless, we are saving money for the emergency fund in addition to what we have in the bank. So we're going to be doing $40. I did not find another $40 heart, so we're just going to do a 30 and a 10, which will be both of these. And let's use pink. Yeah, even though it's almost purple. So $40, two 20s is what we're having today. Let's move this aside and get our, here we go, emergency fund. So now emergency fund has, I need some sort quick, I know. We got 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, that's 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 340, 345, 350, 355. 355 is what it says. Let's see. I can't believe I have 355 already, but maybe I do. Yes, wow. That is correct, 355. Okay, wow. 355 in the emergency fund / $1,000 savings challenge. That is awesome. Last but not least is our 100 envelope challenge. This box was given to me by the lovely Budget with Kat. She is an awesome channel. Go check her Etsy shop out, her channel out. She was doing a giveaway and I won. So of course I picked the box, right? I had my options, but I picked the box. And I'm doing this challenge. I'm just shaking the camera. I'm doing this challenge with my daughter, who seems to be really doing it alone, but I'm helping at some point. I did fill up some larger envelopes in the past, even though it may not seem like it, but I'm helping her save for her first car. And so she transferred money to my account, and then I transferred it to Capital One so it can sit in high yield savings account. So today we're going to be stuffing 33, 34, and 35 because she is serious about getting this car. So, let's see. Let's do pink. Let's do pink since I always choose purple. So, let me take this out so I can actually color it in and not feel like it's in the way of my hand. And Skylar's right here with me while I color this in. She perked up when she heard me say her sister is helping to do this challenge with me, saving for a car. Hopefully by the time she gets to be her sister's age, she'll have her car already saved as well, because we're starting early with Skylar, right? She doesn't want to say anything. Okay, 33, 34, and 35. See? Progress. So we're moving right along with this challenge. I've already got the envelopes out. 33, 34, and 35. So
and 35. Yep.
all right. 33, 34, 35. Yay! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Making progress. We are done. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to help it continue to grow. We are so close to getting our watch hours, and then hopefully we can follow along with getting more subscribers. But thank you all so much for those who've been watching my playlist, and I really appreciate it. And I will definitely be checking your playlist out soon so that I can return the favor. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Stay tuned for my home binder stuffing. I'm excited about that. I'm changing it up a little bit, as well as a debt update because we have ended Q2, as well as a sinking funds update, and yeah, another video as well coming up. So stick around and turn on your bell notifications and subscribe if you love this content. I hope you do. And Skylar would like to say something to you as well.
Bye.
Bye. That's her doll that she just got for her birthday.